Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So first up we have someone here with some little wooden pieces. So they glued them together, added in some spray paint. Oh, they went with gold. And they made a book holder. Oh, this is so cute. Such an easy project idea to try too. Nothing complicated, anyone could do it. Very cool idea. All right, so we're at IKEA for the next one. Looks like some type of lamp shade or something. Or light holder of some sort. Okay, so they're spray painting this white. Oh, they use it as like a vase. Wow, that is pretty cool. Oh, I love this table. This dining room table is gorgeous. Like, are we supposed to be paying attention to the vase? Because I cannot take my eyes off of this golden white table design. DIY trend mirror. Okay, so they have some wooden pieces here. Gluing them together. You could actually do like a cool little like photo frame with this same kind of a aesthetic and vibe. This looks like clay to me. Does this look like clay to anyone else? Like I don't know, it just reminds me of clay. I like that green color though, that was pretty cool. All right, so we have another vase design here. Now this is a very beginner-friendly project as well, nothing complicated. A lot of easy projects so far. Oh, the fairy lights. Oh, this is so pretty. This has like a very strong whimsical vibe to it. Like, and something about it is reminding me of Christmas. I mean, obviously this is decor that you can have out all year round, but I just keep thinking Christmas. All right, so we have some wooden hoops here. It looks like they're making a candle holder. Okay, so that's where the candles are gonna go. Oh, wow. I love the simplicity behind this project. It looks so high-end, and yet it is another one of those easy designs that you can easily replicate. And how many times can I say easy? A very cool project idea. Nice and simple. All right, so the next DIY is going to feature some pine cones. We are entering in that season where a lot of DIYs are going to feature pine cones. You can use them around the Christmas season, holiday season, winter season. I love like placing pine cones around my home. Like the scent of them is just so divine. So it looks like they're making some kind of wreath here. Oh, that's pretty with the lighting. You could stick like a few berries in there too. Oh, that would look so pretty. DIY line art vase. This looks homemade, but like in a good way, like in the very best way. It looks homemade. I've actually been seeing a lot of like projects that look homemade this week. But I don't, I actually like it. Like it makes you feel like you can actually make some of these projects yourself. Because some of them you look at them and you're like, okay, there's no way in a million years I would ever be able to attempt that. But this looks like something I might be able to replicate. Okay, side note, she has like the perfect shade of nude nails for her complexion. I notice things like that. I can't help it. Oh, looks like she's making a candle holder. Oh, maybe that was the backing. Okay. I feel like we need to see the back of this design that you created because I can't really get the full picture of what you made there. Now this looks like another candle holder design. Or maybe not. Well, maybe, yeah, maybe it is. This could also be like a planter design as well. Oh, yep, that's exactly what you used it for. That's cute. Very nice. And this is another easy project. So the majority of the projects in today's video are easy. You can definitely try these out yourself. Like I said, we see so many DIYs and some of them where we know that we would not be able to attempt. You and I both know that, but these are pretty easy. Oh, that is gorgeous. This has to be a candle DIY. Like a nice little candle holder. So pretty. Nice, simple, and easy. Very cool. It's so refreshing, honestly, to have a whole entire video of projects that I know I can do. Like, it's just really inspiring. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.